Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace here. Just got done speaking at St. Joseph's School here in Lake Orion, Michigan. Got to share my heart with the kindergartners all the way up to the 8th graders. And it's coming down kind of hard today, but kind of was in line with our topic as well. We talked about kindness, leadership, and the impact of our actions. And just as the snow is falling and sometimes it feels like life is just falling on us, weighing us down, this burden on our shoulders that we just can't go on anymore, it's a reminder too that we can always overcome some of these storms, that sometimes storms have to happen in order for new life to spring up, for rainbows to eventually appear, and that we have billions of nerve endings in our body and we're going to feel pain at some point in our lives, but we can always choose love and hope and peace over all that pain and all that hurt. A big part of the message is that healed people heal people, and yes, hurt people, which is also a choice. But if we let Christ fully enter into our hearts and just fill us with grace and mercy and life and just cleanse us pure, forgive our sins and everything else that has been going on in our hearts that we are holding on to, that loss and that hurts and that feeling of hopelessness, that we can still overcome those things and still shine His light to other people that we meet, that we can first love ourselves, truly let that sink in, and then go out and be the change by every action, every breath we take, every heartbeat. Just 2 seconds can uplift or destroy. One finger is yourself and the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself if you choose that. So never forget that you're beautiful, that you're a miracle, you're worth everything. Just like the M on all of our hands, our palms, etched on each of our hands with the lines of our hand. Never forget your worth, your value as a child of God, and the true impact that you can make, which is positively touching the lives of thousands of people during your lifetime if you keep your heart open. God bless you guys. Hope to come and share my heart again soon. Peace.